Everything changes.
How's it going, everybody? Dylan here with Make Money Fast, and today we are looking at how much money I've made in Bing. Bing is basically a search engine if you haven't heard of it, like Google or Yahoo, but the only difference is that Bing actually pays you to make searches. I'm just going to go to bing.com, simple as that, and see right now I have 2,560 points, so I'm about halfway to an Amazon gift card. I need 5,250 points, so let's just see. So yeah, you get 5 points for every, that was just a test search, but you can type in whatever, Facebook. Yep, and you get 5, so it's 5 points for every search. Let me just show you go through the different rewards you can get. So some of them are like sweepstakes, but you're going to want to stick to, stuff you're actually going to use. Skype credit. I don't know if anyone still uses Skype. Let's see. You can get a Starbucks gift card. I think it's $5 as well. Here's the Amazon $5 gift card. $10 AMC, Burger King, Chipotle. If any of you guys like Chipotle. Yeah, basically you just make searches, and it's no difference. They also have different stuff. You can take a tour and get 100 points. You can take a quiz, get 30 points. Supersonic quiz. I literally have no idea what these are. Warp speed quiz, 50 points. I don't do those. I just use it as a normal search engine and get points that way. But if you want to do all the other stuff, then you can. Obviously, you get the rewards faster. So I'm going to show you how much money I've been making. Here, I think this is it. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So I'm going to scroll to the very bottom. So I started in 2012. And back then you only needed 525. I think they changed it up a little bit. But you didn't get as many points. So got a $5 gift card in 2012. These are sweepstake entries. That's $5 there. There's 5. No, that's $10. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Another $5 there. A couple more here. Here I'm gonna do some quick math. 28 times 5. 100 plus the $3 one. So far in the past couple of years, I've made $143. So that's about like $20 a year. If I used it a lot, I could probably get 1 or 2 of these a month. But I don't really search up that much. I just search up here and there. But if, say I was in school and I was searching up all the time for different homework and stuff, like I'm sure a lot of you guys are in school, so just use Bing and you can make a lot of money that way. That's $143 that I didn't have before, just in straight up Amazon gift cards. And like I said, if you want to do all the quizzes and other stuff, then you can go ahead. It's powered by Microsoft. You need a Microsoft email, which is free. Everything, it's totally free, guys. I'd say it's kind of like a why not thing at this point. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions on how to use Bing or anything else, feel free to leave it in the comments. If you have any other suggestions on different search engines that pay money, let me know, because Bing is the only one I know at this point. And also, guys, check out the description. There's a list of a bunch of different ways you can make money, a bunch of links that I have down there for anything. You can get Airbnb credit. You can get deals on hotels, deals on, you can make money through doing online surveys. I have all the links down below. Make sure to check those out. Once again, my name's Dylan, and see you guys next time. Make money fast.
Everything changes.